A poem, Life a Flowing Stream. Meteoric precipitation, life stream flows for purification. Through widespread downdrafts, in seaward slope, search for self-perfection. It overflows, at times diminished flow. Life dwindles away altogether. A ray of hope shows the door in infinite sense to merge alone. From source to the sea, with an irresistible urge to seek, slowly flows through endless aeons, leading towards bright perfection. Sacred waves roaring high, treading along the path to rise. Time and again, here and now, in dark night, a solitary light seems to glow. Quiet and silent, lives move. Union with supreme, eternal truth. In still moments, a vibrant silence, life reaches the depth of its essence. In still moments, a vibrant silence, life reaches the depth of its essence. A poem composed and recited by Rajashree Mohapatra, Bhubaneswar, India. Thank you.